Bible says God has made him to be sin for us who knew no sin, that we might be made the righteousness of God. That God doesn't have to punish me anymore. That Jesus has paid the price in full. And all I need to do is to believe in Jesus. Because when I believe in him, he's the real rainmaker. And I can walk out of this place declaring the rain is coming. You may not feel it, but I can hear it. I can hear it. The rain is coming. Can you help me slap your neighbor high five? Say, neighbor. Oh, neighbor. The rain is coming. Can you look for another neighbor on the other side? Slap the neighbor high five. Say, neighbor. Oh, neighbor. The rain is coming. Can you throw your hands up to God and declare to yourself, the rain is coming? My name is Shags, and I approve this message. Somebody give God a shout of praise.